My name is Elias Sarkis. I'm the president of Tricon. Tricon is a company based out of Beaumont, Texas. We have a total of 16 sites. 10 of them are company operated and 6 of them are dealers. We decided to convert to Synergy because it fits perfectly in our business model of upgrading and reimaging our stores every 7 to 8 years. We've seen a great impact on our business, very positive. In general, fuel sales overall has seen a 6.5% increase. Our premium sales has increased about 9%, and our inside sales around 8%. Convincing the dealers was more challenging than expected. We have to prove to them that the image is cost effective. We led by example by doing our locations first. After we showed them the numbers, they were a lot more interested in upgrading their locations. Well, the consumers are noticing. They tell us that our locations are visible from a long ways. It definitely makes the brand more recognizable in the market. Combined with the quality of the fuel that has been advertised, makes it a great proposition for the consumer. Exxon Mobil has been very thoughtful with their offering. They have a program for every consumer that fills up once a month or twice a week. All the programs bring great value. Well, upgrading to Synergy is definitely invest in your business. It is a very easy process, low impact to your consumer, about a day or day and a half per location. The image will definitely make your site noticeable in the market. It's an image that will be attractive for the next 7 to 8 years for sure. But what we have noticed in our business, the sites that have not been synergized have lost about 3% of their fuel sale versus gaining about 6.5%. The delta is 9.5%. Do not wait. People will notice when you upgrade those sites.